Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change transition when switching scenes. First of all, and of course you will need the OBS on your PC. If you don't have that, just go and download it through any browser you have on your computer. Just go type download OBS, click at the first link, download it, set up it, just launch it, and let's get started. So first of all you need to do is just first to add some scenes. We'll just add maybe 2 scenes here. Name it whatever you want. You can change the name. So let's just click here at scene and then add a source. So just click at the plus icon at source. Then as you can see here, you can change whatever you want. So let's say for example here I'll do just input of audio. Here I'll just record just the audio. At scene 2 I'll record maybe I don't know, do whatever you want here. At any scene, do whatever you want. And all we want to do is just go here after choosing your scenes, go here at scene transition. So as you can see here, we have a lot of scene transitions. You can of course add some if you want to add, and you just can or choose whatever or one of those. Just do fade or maybe slide. Click at add, and as you can see here, let's just do left. As you can see, it's where this will be the change transition between your scenes. So if you click on OK, just choose from scene 2, just do maybe window capture and do this, change this into maybe this, and click on OK. Resize it to be perfect, and let's just scroll from scenes. As you can see here, we have a transition between scenes. As you can see, it's swipe or it's slide. But if we change here the scene transition, let's do fade for example, and go here to scene. As you can see, do you see the transition? We can do here whatever other scenes we want. We can just click on OK. As you can see here, if you preview, can maybe choose here or change whatever you want. If you preview transition, this will appear to you, as you can see here. And here you are. After changing your scenes, this transition will appear that you choose from here. So you can maybe add some custom transitions, maybe someone made them to you, or maybe you found them on internet. So let's just do fade one, which is simple, and switch between scenes. So as you can see here, it switch with some transition. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.